Did you know that filing for citizenship could reopen your green card case? One mistake from years ago could put your status in jeopardy, and here's how that happens. When you apply for naturalization or U.S. citizenship, USCIS doesn't just look at your recent history. They go back to the original green card file and even prior applications and double and triple check everything. Let's say you got your original green card based on marriage, and during your initial interview for that green card, USCIS flagged a lot of inconsistencies. Like maybe you gave different answers on when and where you met your spouse. Even if they approved your green card, those inconsistencies could theoretically be revisited when you apply for naturalization, especially if your relationship ended pretty soon after you got your green card. Another example, USCIS might revisit old non-immigrant visa applications, like visitor visa applications. If they see discrepancies, like in a previous application, maybe you listed yourself as single when you were really married, or you listed different children, that could raise serious questions about whether you provided false information. And sometimes people don't realize that USCIS scrutinizes your travel history during naturalization. For instance, if you got your green card based on asylum and you traveled back to your home country, USCIS might question whether your asylum case was valid to begin with. They could argue that your travel undermines the fear of persecution that you had, which could definitely impact your green card. So if USCIS thinks there was fraud or misrepresentation at some point in your case, they can deny your application for naturalization and even send you to immigration court deportation or removal proceedings. And if you don't prevail in those immigration court proceedings, you can lose your green card and face an order of deportation. So just because you've had your green card for years, it does not mean it's technically safe. Make sure that you're fully eligible to apply for naturalization prior to actually applying, because that's really the only true way to be able to protect your immigration status when applying for naturalization. For more immigration news, information, tips, and tricks, feel free to give us a follow.